Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, fog lamps, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.